Getting your mission-critical electronics manufactured has always been a difficult task, especially in these challenging times we are all currently facing. Let us help. We are Veris Manufacturing. We are located in Orange County, California, and we've been here since 1987. We specialize in advanced electronics in industries which require the highest quality, reliability, on-time delivery, and customized service. We have found that we can make the buying process easier and less convoluted for all by putting the human touch back into our very technical world. To learn more about how we can help with your current quality, capacity, or service issues, please contact us at info@verismfg.com.